Have you ever wondered how the fascinating world of AI and chatbots is shaping our future? In the recent years, we've witnessed an unprecedented surge in advancements related to artificial intelligence and machine learning. These advancements are redefining how we interact with technology. And at the heart of this revolution is a technology that's been making waves, ChatGPT. ChatGPT, an AI language model, has emerged as a front-runner in the realm of chatbot technology. But what exactly is ChatGPT? Well, in its essence, it's a machine learning model designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It's the brainchild of Openai, a research organization committed to ensuring that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. The journey of ChatGPT started with a simple premise: to create a system that can converse like a human. To accomplish this, developers fed it massive amounts of text data, enabling it to learn patterns, nuances, and complexities of human language. As it learned from this data, ChatGPT began to generate increasingly sophisticated responses, rapidly evolving from a simple chatbot to a complex AI language model. The development of ChatGPT wasn't a walk in the park. It required a blend of cutting-edge technology, deep understanding of language, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. But the results? Well, they've been nothing short of remarkable. ChatGPT has proven itself to be a versatile tool, capable of generating everything from simple responses in a chat to intricate narratives and detailed explanations. But like any technology, ChatGPT isn't just about the code that runs it or the algorithms that power it. It's about the potential it holds to transform our world. From customer service to healthcare and education, the applications of ChatGPT are as diverse as they are impactful, and we're just getting started. As we delve deeper into the world of ChatGPT, we'll explore its applications, grapple with its challenges, and look towards its future. So hold tight as we embark on an exciting journey to unravel the mysteries of ChatGPT. From customer service to healthcare, ChatGPT is finding its footing in diverse industries. So let's dive into how this artificial intelligence language model is revolutionizing various sectors. Imagine you're a customer with a query and you're instantly engaged in a conversation with a customer service agent who's available round the clock. That's one of the wonders of ChatGPT. It's breathing new life into customer service, providing immediate responses and handling an unlimited number of customers simultaneously. By learning from past interactions, it's continually improving its responses, making the customer service experience smoother and more efficient. But the applications of ChatGPT don't stop at customer service. It's also making waves in the healthcare sector. Picture a world where initial health consultations are more accessible and immediate. ChatGPT is turning this vision into reality. It's being used to provide preliminary health advice, streamlining the initial consultation process. It's not replacing doctors, but it's helping to bridge the gap between patients and healthcare professionals, making healthcare more accessible. Now, let's step into the realm of education. The potential of ChatGPT in this sector is immense. It's like having a personal tutor at your fingertips, ready to answer queries at any time. Whether you're a student grappling with complex mathematical equations or a language learner seeking to improve your vocabulary, ChatGPT is there to assist. It's not just about providing answers, but also about facilitating a deeper understanding of the subject. In essence, ChatGPT is like a multifaceted tool, carving out its niche in various sectors. It's streamlining customer service, making healthcare more accessible, and revolutionizing the education sector. But it's not just about replacing human tasks. It's about enhancing human experiences, making services more accessible, and learning processes more engaging. But as with any tool, it's not just about the applications. It's about how well it can handle the challenges that come with these applications. It's about understanding and navigating the complexities of human language and interaction. It's about ensuring that while it's providing solutions, it's also not creating new problems. While the applications of ChatGPT are intriguing, it's the challenges that truly test its mettle. So stick around as we delve into the challenges and ethical concerns surrounding this revolutionary AI language model in our next segment. As with any technology, ChatGPT 2 isn't without its fair share of challenges. The road to AI advancements is paved with hurdles, and ChatGPT is no exception. Let's delve into the challenges, the ethical concerns, and the safety issues associated with this technology. Firstly, we have data biases. As the saying goes, garbage in, garbage out. The quality of AI responses is directly dependent on the quality of input data. If the data fed into ChatGPT is biased, The responses generated can also be biased. This is a significant obstacle, as biased AI can inadvertently perpetuate stereotypes and misinformation, leading to a ripple effect of unintended consequences. Next, let's turn our attention to ethical concerns. AI, by its very nature, is amoral. It doesn't have a conscience or a moral compass. This raises important questions about how we can ensure that AI, like ChatGPT, behaves ethically. For instance, how can we prevent ChatGPT from being used to spread hate speech or false information? The ethical implications of AI are vast and complex and require thoughtful and ongoing discussions. Safety issues also come into play. As a language model, ChatGPT can generate text based on the input it receives. But what if it's fed harmful or inappropriate content? How can it be made to understand and navigate the nuances of sensitive topics? These are critical considerations in ensuring the safe use of this technology. Moreover, the controversies and ethical dilemmas surrounding ChatGPT cannot be overlooked. While the AI chatbot is making waves in various industries, it's also stirring up debates about the ethical use of AI. The technology's potential for misuse has raised eyebrows, with critics questioning whether the benefits outweigh the risks. However, it's important to remember that these challenges aren't insurmountable. They're stepping stones on the path to refining and improving this promising technology. As we address these issues, we'll not only enhance ChatGPT, but also pave the way for responsible AI development in general. Challenges aside, the potential solutions and future prospects of ChatGPT are what make it a game changer. The journey of ChatGPT isn't without its bumps, but each challenge brings us one step closer to a future where AI is not just smart, but also ethical, safe, and unbiased. The hurdles we face today are the stepping stones to the breakthroughs of tomorrow. The road to innovation is paved with problem solving. Indeed, the challenges that ChatGPT faces are not obstacles, but stepping stones to further innovation. The potential solutions to these challenges are as diverse as the challenges themselves, and they form a critical part of the journey to the future of artificial intelligence. One of the primary challenges ChatGPT faces is data bias. This is a tricky issue, as it stems from the very data the model is trained on. To address this, it's essential to diversify the data sources. Instead of relying on a single type of data, we can incorporate a broader spectrum of information that represents various perspectives, cultures, and values. This way, the AI model can better understand and respond to a wider range of human experiences and contexts. Another concern is safety, especially when it comes to privacy and misuse. Potential solutions here involve the implementation of stringent privacy policies and robust security measures. By ensuring that user data is anonymized and secure, we can build a trustful relationship with users. Moreover, by integrating mechanisms that detect and prevent misuse, we can ensure that the technology is used responsibly. The future of ChatGPT looks promising, with several exciting prospects on the horizon. One such prospect is the enhanced integration with other technologies. Imagine ChatGPT working hand-in-hand with other AI models, creating a seamless, multifaceted AI experience. It could collaborate with recommendation systems, predictive analytics, and even virtual reality, creating an immersive, intelligent environment that caters to the needs of the user. Improved human-AI interaction is another exciting future prospect. This involves making the AI model more intuitive, empathetic, and human-like. This could be achieved by incorporating sophisticated algorithms that understand human emotions, nuances, and subtleties. The AI model could then adapt its responses accordingly, making the interaction feel more natural and engaging. Furthermore, we're looking at efforts to bridge the digital divide. By making ChatGPT accessible to everyone, regardless of their socioeconomic status or geographical location, we're taking a step towards democratizing AI. This could open up a world of opportunities, from providing quality education to remote areas to offering personalized healthcare solutions to underprivileged communities. The journey of ChatGPT is a testament to the power of artificial intelligence. With each challenge it overcomes, it opens up new possibilities for innovation and growth. And as we continue to explore these possibilities, we're not just shaping the future of ChatGPT, but the future of AI as a whole. As we bridge the digital divide, we inch closer to a future dominated by AI. ChatGPT isn't just a technological marvel, it's also a hot topic in academia and research. Its impressive capabilities and diverse applications have piqued the interest of scholars, researchers, and students alike, sparking a wave of academic exploration and discourse. The influence of ChatGPT in academia is profound and multifaceted. It's not just about the technology itself, but the emerging field of AI language models that it represents. ChatGPT serves as a catalyst for innovative studies, spurring researchers to delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning. It's kind of like a shiny new puzzle that academia is eager to solve. Furthermore, the potential applications of ChatGPT in educational settings have also garnered attention. Imagine a future where AI chatbots like ChatGPT could assist teachers in managing their workload or help students with their studies. The possibilities are exciting and far-reaching, and they're driving a flurry of research to turn these possibilities into realities. But the influence of ChatGPT is not confined to the positive aspects. Its existence also brings to light crucial ethical issues and challenges, such as data biases and safety concerns. These issues, while troublesome, are necessary for progress. They're like the growing pains of AI development, pushing the academic community to devise solutions and establish ethical guidelines. In the world of research, ChatGPT is proving to be a valuable tool. It's being used to test hypotheses, model interactions, and generate data. Its ability to understand and generate human-like text is beneficial for numerous research fields, from social sciences to computational linguistics. As a research tool, ChatGPT is not just a participant, but also an enabler, paving the way for new methods and approaches. The reception of ChatGPT in academia and research is a testament to its significance. It's not just another AI model, it's a game changer, a disruptor. It's shaping the future of artificial intelligence, driving new discoveries and advancements. In the grand scheme of things, the influence of ChatGPT extends far beyond the academic realm. It's not just reshaping how we study and understand AI, but also how we interact with technology in our everyday lives. From customer service to healthcare, education to entertainment, the influence of ChatGPT is pervasive and transformative. Indeed, the influence of ChatGPT extends far beyond academia. It's reshaping industries and our everyday lives. ChatGPT is more than just an AI chatbot. It's the future of AI and machine learning. Truly, the journey we've taken today exploring this revolutionary technology has been nothing short of enlightening. We've seen how ChatGPT is not just a product of some fancy algorithms. No, it is a testament to the strides we've made in the realm of artificial intelligence. From its humble beginnings to its present prominence, ChatGPT is a testament to our relentless pursuit of innovation. In the course of our discussion, we've delved into the varied applications of ChatGPT, spanning industries as diverse as customer service, healthcare, and education. The ability of this AI model to engage in coherent, contextually relevant conversations has opened up avenues that were previously unimagined. It's no hyperbole to say that the influence of this technology is pervasive. But as with all things, it's not all roses. We've addressed the challenges and ethical concerns that come with this territory. Data biases, safety, the potential for misuse. These are hurdles we must overcome, but they are not insurmountable. As we've seen, potential solutions are already on the horizon, paving the way for a future where ChatGPT is not just efficient, but also ethical and safe. And let's not forget the profound influence of ChatGPT on academia and research. Its impact extends beyond the commercial sphere, stirring interest and exciting debates in academic circles. The future of this technology, as we've explored, is brimming with possibilities. Enhanced integration with other technologies, improved human-AI interaction, and efforts to bridge the digital divide. These are but a few of the directions in which ChatGPT could evolve. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI, one thing is clear: ChatGPT is here to stay, and the future it promises is nothing short of extraordinary. This is not the end, but rather the beginning of a thrilling journey into the future of AI and machine learning. So keep an eye out for ChatGPT, because its story is far from over.